For over 2 decades, Quadra has engineered enterprise platforms that improve operational visibility, governance, and process efficiency across industries. Introducing IntelliQA, an AI-driven quality intelligence framework to modernize manufacturing quality operations through connected analytics. IntelliQA integrates enterprise quality systems, inspection repositories, manufacturing databases, supplier quality, measurement platforms, and operational process systems. Drop in an inspection or quality document. IntelliQA extracts operational quality data, structures enterprise intelligence, and orchestrates downstream analysis in real time. The framework retrieves inspection history, supplier metrics, and process measurements, running statistical process analysis, capability evaluation, and trend analysis at scale. IntelliQA automatically ingests quality data. Whether a plant operator uploads an inspection sheet to SharePoint or you manually upload a scanned PDF, the AI instantly detects the layout and extracts handwritten and printed values. Here, on the home dashboard, you can review the structured data, correct any anomalies, and convert it into a formal inspection record with just a few clicks. Once saved, records move to your inspection history. But IntelliQA doesn't just store data, it analyzes it. Let's look at the Six Sigma analysis. For every parameter, the system automatically calculates CP, CPK, and Sigma levels. The color-coded capability matrix immediately highlights processes that are in control, need attention, or are out of control. For a macro-level view, head over to the Quality Analytics dashboard, which auto-refreshes every 30 seconds. Monitor inspection volumes, defect rates, and overall Sigma performance in real time. The integrated P-chart tracks daily defect rates against upper and lower control limits, instantly flagging any quality drift outside statistical control. Need to investigate a specific dimension or tolerance trend? IntelliQA's parameter trend charts track measurements over time against specification limits, helping teams identify process drift before defects occur. For direct machine integration, the CMM import feature enables manual logging of high-precision inspection data with complete metadata, eliminating the need for document scanning. IntelliQA doesn't just digitize your quality process, it elevates it. From AI-powered inspection extraction to real-time Six Sigma capability analysis, your teams gain the intelligence needed to achieve world-class manufacturing quality. Elevate your standards with IntelliQA